Hi, and welcome to KADO. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to set up your digital business card, personalize your design, share your card with others, and start capturing new contacts directly from your profile. So let's start with the My Card section. This is where you can view your digital business card and update the information that others will see when you share it. From here, you can personalize the look and feel of your card so that it matches your personal brand. You can choose from different design options, from a LinkedIn style or a minimalistic one, allowing you to change the colors of the background, icons, and text. When it comes to backgrounds, you can choose from different animations that we offer. You can upload an image. This is something that will be coming soon. Add your own gradients, or just simply a solid color. Likewise, with the icons, you can also choose between a gradient and a solid color. And finally, you can choose among different colors for the main text and the main body text. You can also add your own company logo, a company description, or even a tagline for the card. Once you're done with the design, you'll also be able to update your basic information. So from your position, company name, mobile phone numbers, email, all the basic requirements that you need in order to properly share your contact details. And then beyond that, you'll be able to also add different links and video content. So for example, you could add links to your case studies, client testimonials, different important sites of your website, and you can also include video content by simply adding a link from YouTube. Finally, you'll be also able to add a different set of social links to your profile so that people can connect with you beyond KADO. Now, let's look at how to share your KADO card from a mobile app. This is probably the fastest and easiest way to use KADO. When you're meeting someone in person, at an event, in a meeting, or on the go. From your mobile app, you have several options to share your card. You can open your QR code and let the other person scan it directly from your phone. You can also use your offline QR code, which helps when you have limited internet connection, for example, in conferences or busy venues. Your KADO card can be added to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, so it's always easy to access even without opening the app. And if you want even faster access, you can also add your card as a widget on your phone. That gives you different ways to share your card depending on your situation, from the app, your wallet, your widget, or even via a link or a text. Now let's see what happens when someone receives your card. The other person does not need to download the KADO app. When they scan your QR code or open your card link, your digital business card opens directly in their browser. From there, they can view your contact information, open your links, visit your social profiles, and save your details directly. They can also share their information back with you by filling a quick contact form. Once they submit the form, they automatically receive an email with your contact information. At the same time, you receive a notification in the KADO app letting you know that someone has shared their details with you. You can then review the form submission from your account. Depending on your subscription, you'll be able to save that submission as a contact and continue managing it from KADO. Otherwise, the submission will remain available as a lead for you to review. Now, sometimes the person you meet may not want to fill in a form, or they may prefer to show you their own QR code or give you a paper business card. In that case, KADO also helps you capture their information quickly. Simply point at the QR code or take a picture of the paper business card. KADO will automatically digitize the information and turn it into a contact, so you don't have to manually transcribe business cards when you get back to the office. This is especially useful after events, trade shows, or busy networking sessions where it is easy to lose track of who you met and what you discussed. Once the contact has been created, this is where KADO becomes more than a digital business card. You can open the contact activity and start adding relevant meeting notes, create follow-up tasks, and categorize the contact with different tags. That way, you can remember who the person is, what you talked about, and what needs to happen next. Instead of collecting paper cards, losing context, or forgetting to follow up, KADO helps you keep everything organized in one place. And for selected plans and setups, KADO can also help you centralize your relationship activity so you can have a fuller view of each contact interaction. In the next section, we'll move back to the web dashboard, where you can review contacts, manage leads, track activity in more detail, as well as create follow-ups and activate integrations. Now that you have seen how to share your card and capture contacts from the mobile app, let's go back to the web dashboard. Everything you created on your mobile app is also available here. The contacts you capture, the notes you add, the tasks you create, and the tags you assign can all be viewed and managed from your web account. This makes it easier to review your activity after a meeting or event or a networking session. From the Contacts section, you can open each contact profile, review information, check notes, update tags, and keep track of any tasks. But as your contact list grows, manually adding tags, updating details, or organizing every contact can be quite time-consuming. That's where KADO automations come in. For example, you can automatically assign specific tags based on how the contact was created, where they came from, or which event they were captured at. You can also add extra metadata to help you organize your contacts in a more structured way. So, instead of manually updating every contact after an event, KADO can help you categorize and reach them automatically from the moment they are created. Now, once your contacts are organized, the next step is making sure they also reach the tool your team already uses. You don't want to capture a great lead and have to manually copy all of their information into HubSpot or Salesforce CRM. Now, KADO helps you reduce that manual work through integration. Depending on your setup, you can connect KADO with your existing tools so that the contacts and leads that you capture can flow into the right system, keeping your sales and relationship workflows much cleaner. You will also be able to get a quick overview of your activity from your home screen. With KADO, you can create and personalize your digital business card, share it instantly from your phone, let others save your details or share theirs with you, digitize paper cards and QR codes, manage your contacts with notes, tasks, and tags, and automate next steps through events and integrations. KADO helps you turn every contact info into a clear next step and every networking moment into a real opportunity.